Hey everyone, welcome to my first clean with me in my new apartment. So this is over 2 different days. It's the first day we moved in, and then it's also the day after where I am just cleaning the kitchen and the bedroom. Maddie's room is already pretty clean, so I don't have to worry too much about her room, which you will see. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Right now I am just cleaning out the dishwasher and adding some more dishes in if needed. But yeah, I had pots and pans that needed to be washed. And I also had some ramekins, and we also had a cup of coffee earlier, so that's also in there. And I'm also watching YouTube videos because I love watching YouTube while cleaning. It just helps me relax, and it's all part of the cleaning experience. If you guys clean, you know what I mean. But yeah, so anyways, I'm just putting the ramekins away and the pots and the pans, and I do end up reorganizing how the cabinets are because I just threw stuff in the day we moved in. So now we're actually going to find a rhyme and reason for where things are. Like those two cabinets have all pots and pans because they are all different sizes and they're pretty big. So that is that. Okay, so now after the kitchen is done, I'm coming in the bedroom and just grabbing the laundry basket and putting all the laundry that's on the floor in the basket, as well as cleaning my bed and just cleaning the surrounding area. There are still boxes in the bedroom that I made my boyfriend go through and decide what he wants to keep and what he wants to throw away, just clothing wise. So that's why I brought those out to the living room. But now I'm just cleaning their bed, or making the bed. We got a queen size bed and new bedding and pillows galore, so we're so excited. Well, I am. It's always been my dream to have a whole bunch of pillows in the bed. So now it finally happened, and that's what we are doing here, is just setting up the bed. Shower curtains because our shower rod ended up falling at one point when I was putting it on, but it was just old, and I guess the apartment never fixed it before we moved in. But today they came in and fixed it, so I can finally put up my shower curtain and everything. We were taking a shower in Maddie's bathroom, so now we can take one in ours again. But yeah, so I am just doing that here, and I will do a apartment tour for next Thursday. I'm about to film it now. But yeah, so I'm very excited to show you guys all the progress we made. It's a beautiful home now, and we're just so excited that it's all ours. And yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna go and let you guys enjoy the music. I will see you guys in a later video. But anyways, this is what's happening, and yeah, bye everyone, thanks for watching.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know that you guys want to see more cleaning videos in this room or in this house now. Yeah, definitely leave this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in next Thursday's video. Love you all. Bye, everyone.